Today, we're taking a closer look at the Oppo Find X9, one of the most impressive flagship phones that most people in the US don't even realize exists. And honestly, they're missing out, because this thing is packed with top-tier hardware, some killer camera tech, and a design that stands out. So let's get into it. Right out of the box, the Oppo Find X9 feels premium. You get a sleek metal frame, curved edges, and a matte back that resists fingerprints way better than the glossy slabs we're used to. The phone is light but solid, and Oppo's camera module design actually looks clean instead of bulky. If you're tired of the same square camera bumps from Apple and Samsung, this one is refreshing. It's got IP68 water resistance, dual speakers, and fast biometrics. All the basics are here, but done well. Now this is where Oppo flexes. You're looking at a 6.82-inch AMOLED panel with QHD+ resolution, LTPO, and a 120Hz refresh rate that dynamically adjusts to save battery. Colors are vibrant, HDR performance is great, and the curved glass makes everything feel a bit more futuristic. If you care about display quality, this competes directly with the Galaxy S24 Ultra and even surpasses it in some areas like brightness and color uniformity. Under the hood, you get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which means buttery smooth performance for gaming, multitasking, and anything you can throw at it. Thermals are good too. Oppo's cooling system actually keeps temperatures lower than a lot of other flagships I've tested. Whether you're editing video, gaming on high settings, or juggling multiple apps, the Find X9 handles everything without breaking a sweat. This is the highlight. Oppo partnered with Hasselblad, and honestly, the results are impressive. The main sensor captures sharp, high-contrast shots with great dynamic range. Night photography is one of the best in its class. The ultra-wide is crisp with very little distortion. The telephoto lens delivers clean zoom shots, and portrait mode looks incredibly natural thanks to Hasselblad color science. If you're a mobile photography lover, this phone holds its own against the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Pixel 8 Pro. The Find X9 packs a 5,000 mAh battery, and the combination of LTPO display plus efficient chipset gives you strong all-day battery life. But the real show-off feature? Super VOAC fast charging. Going from 0 to 100% in about 30 minutes feels downright magical compared to the slow charging we get from US-sold phones. Color OS has gotten way better over the years. It's smooth, customizable, and surprisingly clean. Gesture navigation feels fluid, animations look premium, and Oppo includes a ton of smart features without making the phone feel bloated. Google integration is solid, but keep in mind, Oppo phones aren't officially sold in the US, so you may need to import and check carrier compatibility. So, should US buyers care about the Oppo Find X9? Absolutely! If you're willing to import it, the Find X9 is one of the most complete flagship packages of the year. Stunning display, top-tier performance, crazy fast charging, and an elite camera system. It rivals or outperforms the big US market flagships, and honestly, it makes you wonder why phones like this aren't available here. If Oppo ever officially enters the US market, Samsung and Apple better be ready.